Study for exams. Mastering the art of effective preparation. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the crucial topic of how to study for exams. This is especially helpful for those learning English and aiming to excel in their academic journey. Let's unravel the strategies and tips that will make your study sessions both effective and enjoyable. Study for exams means to prepare for tests by reviewing and learning the relevant material. It's not just about reading or memorizing. It's about understanding concepts, practicing skills, and being able to apply what you've learned. A conducive study environment is key. Find a quiet, well-lit space where you can focus. Ensure you have all your materials, textbooks, notes, and stationery. Minimize distractions like your phone or TV, and consider some light background music if it helps you concentrate. Planning is crucial. Break down your subjects into smaller topics and allocate time for each. Use a planner or digital calendar to schedule your study sessions. Remember, consistency is more important than cramming everything in one night. Active learning involves engaging with the material. This could be through making summaries, creating flashcards, or teaching the content to someone else. Practice tests and quizzes are also excellent ways to gauge your understanding. Don't forget to take regular breaks. Studies show that our brains absorb information more effectively with short breaks in between. Also, maintain a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and do some physical activity. Your physical and mental health greatly impact your learning efficiency. Regular review sessions are vital. Go over your notes, rewrite them, or discuss them with peers. Closer to the exam, focus more on revising topics you find challenging. On the day of the exam, ensure you're well rested and have a nutritious meal. Read all questions carefully, manage your time wisely, and answer questions you're confident about first. We hope these tips will help you in your journey to study for exams effectively. Remember, consistency, active engagement, and taking care of your well-being are key components of successful study sessions. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.